Hello again, everyone. It's Vince from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for February 4th, 2020. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, the markets continue to rebound today at a strong rally. The Dow finishing higher by 407 points, completely reversing those steep losses from Friday. The S&P 500 was up over 48 points, while Tesla leading the way on the NASDAQ. Huge gains for Tesla today, and the NASDAQ hitting a new all-time high. The NASDAQ was up almost 195 points, while the Russell 2000 gaining a little over 24 points today. The bond market was sharply lower, and the yield on the 10-year note finishing up at 1.602%. Crude oil down again, finishing and closing below 50 level there today, down another 1.3%, while gold was sharply lower, down over 25 points or 1.6% today, while the dollar pretty flat against the CAD, but here's the dollar index moving slightly higher here. Now, after market close, another slew of earnings. Ford missing EPS estimates. They're lower by a little over 9% right now in the after-hours trading session. Disney beat, but they're pretty much flat after hours, up about 22 cents. Not a big deal there. Chipotle Mexican Grill also beating handily there. They are up by about $9 or about 1% after hours. And Snap, they missed their revenue target and are being punished after hours. They are lower by about 10.5% after hours right now. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.